Hello, welcome to Edubbey dynamic page. Today, let us look at cryptocurrency adoption. Cryptocurrency adoption refers to the increasing use and integration of digital currencies in various aspects of society and the economy. Over the years, cryptocurrency adoption has steadily grown, driven by a combination of technological advancements, evolving regulatory frameworks, and shifting consumer attitudes. Here's an overview of cryptocurrency adoption. Merchant acceptance. One of the early signs of cryptocurrency adoption was the acceptance of cryptocurrencies as a form of payment by merchants and businesses. From small online retailers to major corporations now allow customers to pay for goods and services using cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Payment processors and gateways. Payment processors and gateways have emerged to facilitate cryptocurrency transactions for merchants to accept cryptocurrencies without needing to handle the complexities of cryptocurrency wallets and security. Remittances and cross-border payments. Cryptocurrencies offer a compelling solution for remittances and cross-border payments, allowing individuals to transfer funds across borders quickly, securely, and at a lower cost compared to traditional remittance services. Financial inclusion. Cryptocurrency adoption has the potential to improve financial inclusion by providing access to financial services for people who are unbanked or underbanked. Individuals in regions with limited access to traditional banking infrastructure can use cryptocurrencies to store value, send and receive payments, and access other financial services. Decentralized finance. DeFi. The rise of DeFi platforms and applications has fueled further cryptocurrency adoption by offering a wide range of decentralized financial services. NFTs and digital ownership, non-fungible tokens, NFTs, have emerged as a new form of cryptocurrency adoption, enabling the creation, ownership, and trading of unique digital assets. Corporate adoption. Some corporations and institutions have begun to integrate cryptocurrencies into their operations and balance sheets. This includes holding cryptocurrencies as treasury reserves, accepting cryptocurrencies as payment for goods and services, and exploring blockchain technology for supply chain management and other applications. Overall, cryptocurrency adoption continues to expand as more individuals, businesses, and institutions recognize the potential of digital currencies to revolutionize finance, commerce, and various other sectors.